What is stress testing? Stress testing with interfaces load cells is integral to the various products and components research, design, and manufacturing processes. The goal with stress testing is to understand how a system or object performs under specific conditions, especially extreme ones. Stress testing requires high-quality, accurate measurement devices. It is a type of test done across various industries that evaluates the structure of an object or equipment, often until failure. Stress testing determines an object's ultimate strength, thus identifying any weaknesses or flaws in its design. It helps ensure that materials, equipment, and final products can withstand the stresses they will be subjected to in regular use. Interfaces sensors are often used in these types of stress testing, including material tests, destructive and failure tests, ultimate tensile strength tests, elasticity tests, fatigue tests, shear tests, bending tests, flexural tests, torsion tests. Stress tests examine performance data and measure the tested object's reliability, durability, and ultimate strength. Stress tests can reveal performance limits, allowing for optimization before being released out into the real world. 4 specifications must be addressed for the stress test application before choosing a load cell: mechanical dimensions and mounting, electrical output and excitation, environmental temperature and moisture, plus performance accuracy and thermals. Choosing load cells with verifiable calibration history reinforces the reliability of the stress test results. The specific load cell chosen will depend on the stress test's requirements, such as the force range, direction of loading, and desired accuracy. You must define the measurement range's capacity in the stress testing plan. What is your plan for overload capacity? What is the cycle count? These parameters will help you select the load cell.